The first technique to get rid of negative self-talk is that of awareness. You need to catch yourself in the act whenever you tell yourself negative stuff. Now, once you do that, you can, in your workbook, as I spoke about the workbook in Module 1, you can write down your negative self-talk. Over a period of time, you will find that there's a definite pattern in your negative self-talk. Then from there, you can go to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give you positives for whatever that pattern may be. For example, if you see a pattern that you always tell yourself that I'm no good, I won't be able to do this, I don't have enough skills, then you can ask ChatGPT, give me positive affirmations for I am not good enough. And you can replace whenever you tell yourself that you're not good enough with those positive affirmations. The second technique is that you should challenge your negative self-talk. For example, I'm going to go back to I'm not good enough. We are definitely good at something in this life, however small. So if you tell yourself, I am not good enough, that incorporates everything. And that's just a fallacy. That is not true. If you tell yourself, I can't do anything right, the word anything will imply that that's literally everything and anything. So again, that's not true. So you need to challenge those beliefs and do that as soon as they occur. Now, the third technique is the technique of reframing. This technique is extremely powerful. To give you a personal example, when I started making videos, I was extremely nervous. My heart would pound, literally race in my chest like that. My mouth would become extremely dry. I could barely talk. I had a bad case of stage fright. It was unreal. And then I thought to myself, you presented this stuff a lot. You do courses for self-development. I spent 3 decades doing this in a corporate environment. And I thought to myself, what on earth is wrong with you? And then I reframed. And that reframing went like this. I told myself, I'm going to sit here because my goal is to assist somebody out there. If I can do that, if I can assist one person, then all of this is worth my while and that person's while. So I'm here to help others, and that is my primary goal. And that is what I am passionate about. Once I reframed it like that, I started getting the confidence because I'm not doing this for me. I'm doing it for you. And that makes a world of difference. The fourth technique is a visualization technique to stop negative self-talk in its tracks. You need to visualize this huge stop sign that is painted in red and says STOP. You need to visualize as soon as that negative self-talk comes into you, you need to go stop and visualize, get that picture in your mind. Once you have done that, you go, okay, I've stopped it now. What now? Now you go back to point number 1, 2, and 3, and you implement what I said earlier on. Technique number 5 is that of self-compassion. We need to be less hard on ourselves. We tend to continuously bring ourselves down with our negative self-talk. Self-compassion would mean for you to look in the mirror and to tell yourself something positive about you. Now, there's a lot of positive things about you that you need to recognize, and you need to take the accolades for what you are good at. Number 6 is positivity. It is necessary to surround yourself with positive people. Get rid of the negative energy vampires. Those people will literally suck the lifeblood out of you. The last technique is that of positive habits. It is necessary for us to have positive habits about everything in life. As you wake up in the morning, it is necessary for you to have gratitude. You can go through an exercise where you start telling yourself what you are grateful for. It is necessary not to include any materialistic stuff in the mornings when you are having a grateful exercise. You need to tell yourself what you're grateful for, and those will be things like, I'm grateful that I can still walk. I'm grateful that I can still see. I'm grateful for all my senses. I'm grateful for my family, grateful for my friends, and grateful for this wonderful life. I'm going to leave it here. Thank you ever so much for watching. Have a wonderful, wonderful day.